My name is Martha Mariscal. I've been here at Roosevelt Preschool for about 17 years, but I've been to the district for over 32 years. Well, the lesson today, I do a cooking activity at least once a month. And I just enjoy making tamales, especially with our family. It's been a tradition. All the talking that's involved and sharing memories, traditions, and that's what I'm trying to do with the students. First, we read a book introducing them what a tamale was, and then we went over the ingredients. I had some of them help me mix the masa. We needed the dough. Then we, whatever filling you want to put. We did chicken today. They spread it themselves. They spread the masa, they fold it, and we actually pretend that we cooked them, and then we enjoyed them. They did very well. A lot of empty plates, especially one student doesn't eat and he asked for more and he ate it. So it tastes good to them. I asked them what it tastes like. It tastes good. So that made me feel good that they're actually asking for more.